Hello everyone, Tommy here. As we look towards the 26-27 school year, we're making our digital tools even more secure, starting with your Google Chrome extensions. To protect district data, we're moving to a verified and approved list for all Chrome Web Store extensions and apps. If a tool you need is not on the list, don't worry, just hit the request button. Our team will review it for security and get back to you as quickly as we can. Have a must-have extension? Email us at techsupport@d47.org and let us know. Next, we need you to perform a quick digital cleanup in your Authenticator app. Open your app and delete the current Skyward entry. This entry belongs to the old system. We'll be launching two-factor authentication for the new Skyward Qmlativ soon for employee access, and we want to prevent any confusion between the old and new codes. Open the Authenticator app, remove the old Skyward entry, and you'll be ready for the new launch. We're almost at the finish line. Hang in there, everybody. Keep staying vigilant against phishing attempts, both email and text messages. And look out for our next update on the closing out of the school year. That's all for today. Have a great rest of your week.